Hey, good afternoon, random fam. Another beautiful day here in Pakistan. Uh, we got another mud puddle. Check it out. Yeah, I kind of missed it. I was still asleep. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Arham, say hi. Say hi to the random fam. I got to save. Yeah. So, as you guys can see, we have another mud puddle. This one's a bigger mud puddle.
Mama.
And he's found a kitty cat. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Here's the baby kitty. What do you want to name it? What do you want to name it? Oh, there's our ride. There's our ride. We gotta go. All right, guys, it is lunchtime. I gotta skedaddle, and we'll try to see if we can find some more rain for you guys. Also need a haircut. I was trying to grow out again. Yes, I'm old. 41. See you guys. Say bye. Adam, say bye. Say bye-bye to the guys.